Now we move on to the second type of continuous probability distribution known as exponential distribution. In probability theory, an exponential distribution is a continuous probability distribution which is commonly used to model the time between independent events that occur at a constant average rate. A continuous random variable x is said to follow exponential distribution with parameter lambda if it has the PDF f of x equals lambda e raised to minus lambda x when x greater than or equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. In this case, we represent this as x follows exp lambda. That is, exponential distribution with parameter lambda has the PDF lambda e raised to minus lambda x in x greater than or equal to 0. First, we will find the CDF, the distribution function f of x for the exponential distribution. We know the formula is integral minus infinity to x f of x dx, which is equal to integral. Here the lower limit is 0 to x lambda e raised to minus lambda x dx, which is equal to integral of e raised to minus lambda x is e raised to minus lambda x by minus lambda, and that lambda will get cancelled. So we have minus of e raised to minus lambda x with the limit 0 up to x. This is equal to minus e raised to minus lambda x plus e raised to 0 is 1, or 1 minus e raised to minus lambda x where x greater than or equal to 0. The CDF of the exponential distribution is 1 minus e raised to minus lambda x greater than or equal to 0. Now we will find the mean of the exponential distribution. We have expectation of x equals integral x fx dx is equal to integral x into lambda e raised to minus lambda x dx. We have to do this using integration by parts. First function is x. Integral of e raised to minus lambda x is e raised to minus lambda x by minus lambda minus derivative of x is 1. Integral of this is e raised to minus lambda x by lambda square with the limit 0 to infinity is equal to lambda into, when you put x is equal to infinity, e raised to minus infinity is 0 and e raised to 0 is 1. X here you have x, so this part also 0. So we have minus of minus e raised to 0 by lambda square, or lambda by lambda square, which is equal to 1 by lambda. That is, mean of the exponential distribution is 1 by lambda, where lambda is the parameter used. Now, expectation of x square is equal to integral x square into f of x dx, which is equal to lambda integral 0 to infinity x square e raised to minus lambda x dx. Here again we have to use integration by parts. That is equal to lambda into first function x square e raised to minus lambda x by minus lambda minus derivative of x square is 2x into e raised to minus lambda x by lambda square, that is the integral of this part, plus derivative of 2x is 2 into integral of this is e raised to minus lambda x by minus lambda cube with the limit 0 to infinity, which is equal to lambda into, when x is equal to infinity, these terms are 0 because e raised to minus infinity is 0. When x is equal to 0, the first two terms are 0 because you have x. And the last term is minus of, so minus will get cancelled, 2 by lambda cube, which is equal to 2 by lambda square. Therefore, expectation of x square is 2 by lambda square. The first order moment is 1 by lambda and the second order moment is 2 by lambda square. Therefore, variance of x is equal to expectation of x square, that is 1 by 2 by lambda square, minus expectation of x the whole square 1 by lambda the whole square, that is equal to 2 by lambda square minus 1 by lambda square, or 1 by lambda square. For an exponential distribution, mean is 1 by lambda and variance is 1 by lambda square. Now we will do some problems related to exponential distribution. Let x be a random variable following exponential distribution with parameter 1 by 3. Find probability x greater than 3, mean of x and variance of x. Since x follows exp exponential with a parameter 1 by 3, our PDF f of x equals, the PDF is lambda e raised to minus lambda x, that is 1 by 3 e raised to minus x by 3, where x is greater than or equal to 0. So probability x greater than 3 means integral, the lower limit is 3, upper limit is infinity, f of x dx, that is 1 by 3 e raised to minus x by 3 dx, which is equal to, when you integrate e raised to minus x by 3, it is e raised to minus x by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. So that 1 by 3 will get cancelled and we have 3 to infinity. And e raised to minus infinity is 0. So when you put upper limit 0 minus lower limit is 3, e raised to minus 3 by 3, e raised to minus 1, or this is equal to 1 by e. 1 by e is 0.3679. That is probability x greater than 3 is 0.3679. Next we have to find expectation of x. We know that exponential distribution with parameter lambda has mean 1 by lambda. Here lambda is 1 by 3 and so that expectation of x is 1 by 1 by 3, that is 3. Mean of x is 3. Now variance formula is 1 by lambda square is equal to 3 square, that is 9. So mean of x is 3 and variance of x is 9. Next question. The length of time a person speaks over phone follows exponential distribution with mean 6 minutes. Find the probability that he will talk for more than 8 minutes and between 4 and 8 minutes. So here it is given that the mean is 6 minutes. So that 1 by lambda equal to 6 or lambda equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, our PDF is f of x equals lambda e raised to minus lambda x, that is 1 by 6 e raised to minus x by 6, where x is greater than or equal to 0. Our first question is probability that he will talk for more than 8 minutes, that is probability x greater than 8 is equal to integral, the lower limit is 8, upper limit is infinity, f of x dx, that is 1 by 6 e raised to minus x by 6 dx, which is equal to 1 by 6 will get cancelled, e raised to minus x by 6, 8 to infinity, equal to e raised to minus infinity is 0 and we have e raised to minus 8 by 6 or e raised to minus 4 by 3, which is equal to 0.2636. Probability x greater than 8, more than 8 minutes he talk over phone is 0.2636. Our second part is probability 4 less than x less than 8. That is from 4 to 8, 1 by 6 e raised to minus x by 6 dx, which is equal to minus of e raised to minus x by 6 with the limit 4 to 8, which is equal to e raised to minus 4 by 6 minus e raised to minus 8 by 6. E raised to minus 4 by 6 minus e raised to minus 8 by 6, or e raised to minus 2 by 3 minus e raised to minus 4 by 3. When you simplify, you will get 0.2498. That is probability that he will talk for between 4 and 8 minutes is 0.2498. We know that probability A given B is probability A intersection B by probability B. In the case of exponential distribution, we have a special interesting result called memoryless property, which help us to find the conditional probability without using the formula. Probability A given B is probability A intersection B by probability of B. And the memoryless property states that probability x greater than A plus x given x greater than A is equal to probability x greater than x. Probability x greater than A plus x given x greater than A is equal to probability x greater than x, where both A and x are non-negative. A and x are greater than or equal to 0. This property is called a memoryless property. Now we have problems based on memoryless property. The life length in months of an electric component follows exponential distribution with parameter 1 by 2. Find the probability that the component survives more than 10 months given that already it had survived for more than 9 months. So we are given x follows exponential distribution with parameter 1 by 2. So that our PDF is f of x equals 1 by 2 e raised to minus x by 2, where x is greater than or equal to 0. We have to find the probability more than 10 months, that is x greater than 10, given that already it had survived for more than 9 months. Probability x greater than 10 given x greater than 9. That is equal to probability, we can represent 10 as 9 plus 1 given x greater than 9. So probability x greater than 9 plus 1 given x greater than 9. When we apply memoryless property, it is equal to probability x greater than 1. That is equal to integral 1 to infinity f of x dx, 1 by 2 e raised to minus x by 2 dx. When we integrate, we get minus e raised to minus x by 2 in the limit 1 to infinity, or is equal to e raised to minus 1 by 2, which is 0.6065. So we applied memoryless property to find the conditional probability x greater than 10 given x greater than 9. Next question. A company finds that average time customers have to wait for the service is 45 seconds. If the waiting time can be treated as exponential random variable, find the probability that a customer has to wait for more than 1 minute, more than 5 minutes, given that he already waited for 2 minutes, more than 2 minutes. So here x is a random variable following exponential distribution, and we are given that the parameter is 45 seconds with average time is 45 seconds. That is, we are given 1 by lambda is equal to 45 seconds. So that lambda is equal to 1 by 45. The average time is 45 seconds, that is mean 1 by lambda is 45. So that lambda equal to 1 by 45, and our PDF f of x equals lambda 1 by 45 e raised to minus x by 45, where x is greater than or equal to 0. Our first question is probability more than 1 minute, that is probability x greater than 1 minute. Lambda is in seconds, so we have to convert this to probability x greater than 60 seconds. Probability x greater than 60 is integral 60 to infinity f of x dx 1 by 45 e raised to minus x by 45 dx, which is equal to minus of e raised to minus x by 45 with the limit 60 to infinity, and this is equal to e raised to minus 60 divided by 45. E raised to minus 60 divided by 45 is 0.2636. So the probability that the customer has to wait more than 1 minute is 0.2636. Our second part is find the probability that the customer has to wait more than 5 minutes given that he already waited for more than 2 minutes. That is probability x greater than 5 minutes given he already waited for more than 2 minutes. Both are in minutes. Probability x greater than 5 given x greater than 2. So we will apply the memoryless property of exponential distribution here. That is equal to probability 5 minus 2 x greater than 3. Probability x greater than 3 minutes. That is probability x greater than 3 minutes is 180 seconds. Because our lambda is in terms of seconds. Probability x greater than 180 seconds, which is equal to integral 180 to infinity f of x dx 1 by 45 e raised to minus x by 45 dx, which is equal to minus of e raised to minus 180 divided by 45 is equal to e raised to minus 180 by 45 is e raised to minus 4, which is equal to 0.0183. 0.0183. That is probability the customer has to wait more than 5 minutes. Already he has waited for more than 2 minutes is probability x greater than 5 given x greater than 2, which is equal to memoryless property probability x greater than 3. X greater than 3 means 3 minutes. We have to convert it into seconds. Probability x greater than 180 seconds. 180 to infinity. Integral 180 to infinity f of x dx. When you integrate, you will get e raised to minus 4. That is 0.0183.